Today I have a special announcement. This channel has grown to over 500 subscribers. It has never been advertised on social medias, and I've done zero marketing. That ends today. I've shown you how to repair many devices, and by now you should know
disconnecting the battery is pretty important. Disconnecting the battery is pretty important. Disconnecting the battery is pretty important. Disconnecting the battery is obviously important. Disconnecting the battery is pretty important.
disconnecting that battery, it's pretty important. I've had a great time over the past year or two getting better at filming repairs and learning new techniques. I wouldn't have been able to do it without all the helpful, kind comments you all leave me. Your words of encouragement mean more than you realize, and with great thanks to people like David Schulman, Thunder Bytronics, Tech Chick, and more. I've covered a lot of repairs, everything from phones to drones, consoles, and handhelds. It's the most fun I've had in years. I love taking things apart. I love seeing how they work. There's been frustrations, there's been failures, but that's all part of how we as repair techs learn. Nothing is a complete loss. And I have so much more to show you. I have so many more devices that need repairs, and I can't wait to show you how to repair them. I've got several projects in line, some more finished than others, and I can't thank you all enough for sticking with me. So, welcome back to Taptic Digital. Repair guides, rambles, shorts, and now, socials. Stick around, there's a lot more coming your way.